Guys, as you all know, 2024 is ending and it's been a roller coaster with all the trends, you know, all over the place. तो आज हम बात करेंगे कुछ influencers से who, you know, have something to say about the travel and fashion trends, how it will change in 2025. 2024 में ऐसा क्या था और 2025 में ऐसा क्या अलग होने वाला है, चलिए उनसे जानते हैं. Hi everyone, so I have Parul with me who, as you can see, is really glamorous. Just look at her fit. Thank you. So Parul, could you please break down your fit? What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a jumpsuit which I bought from Myntra, and I bought this footwears from, I think, Zara, and these loops from Zara, and this bag from H&M.
Oh.
I love to, but fashion is in my soul.
Wow, or that I can totally see. So since fashion is in your soul, what do you think could be the next, you know, trends for 2025?
It should be something neon kind of stuff is coming soon, or something organic. People go for organic things nowadays. So they prefer to wear something organic stuff.
Like sustainability and all that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And should be like trendy also.
Yeah. A little bit of, you know, quirky here and there. We keep seeing Ranveer Singh for that matter.
Yeah.
I have the famous fashion expert Diksha with me, who's also an influencer. Loving the outfit, by the way, Diksha. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much. My outfit mandate was red and black, so I thought, why not? My favorite colors, and here we have.
Oh wow, that's great. So tell me, what do you think could be the fashion trends of 2025, since you know you are keen on fashion? So let us know.
Well, I love style, not fashion. And for me, the biggest thing is not to follow trends. Make your own trends. Go bold, go crazy, go innovative in 2025. Don't let anything hold you back.
That is so sweet. And that's all for this one, guys. And it was lovely having you.
Thank you so much.
So I have Anika with me, who, as you already know, is a great fashion expert. आप देख सकते हैं भाई, बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, outfit check out करो. So Anika, please decode your outfit. It's beautiful and giving a chic vibe.
Well, thank you so much. As winters are here, I love to layer up, but today I still kept it very minimal. I've worn a woolen handmade skirt. I like things which are more handmade, more artisans, because I think that culture is going out of our minds and everything. So a simple woolen handmade skirt, a plain black sweater, a fur jacket to keep myself cozy and warm. And keeping fashion in mind, I think go minimal, go nude, go monochrome. That is the fashion which is happening, and that's gonna go forward as well.
Okay, that's wonderful. So अगर मैं थोड़े से और ट्रेंड्स की बात करूँ, आपका फेवरेट ट्रेंड कौन सा रहा है जो आपको लगता है कि यार ये तो पक्का ही जाएगा इसके अलावा 2025 में?
यार, when we say कि 24 से 25 क्या जाएगा trend, that I feel, you see the old fashion, those dhoti pants for Indians,
some vintage stuff,
those short kurtas with shararas are back again. What I think our moms wore it are back again, and I think that's gonna go forward, not in 25 and 26 as well, because old is gold. Don't forget that, and keep wearing it, keep flaunting it. Like I did a handmade artisan product. First, something which is not that natural, but it's okay. Sometimes fashion is also keeps you to go out of your few things that you don't want to do it. So one trend, I would say, keep it minimal, keep it nudes, use your old artisan products. We wear shararas, dhoti pants. That's about it.
Oh la la, we've got to see a lot of trends here. Let us know in the comment section कि आपका favorite trend कौन सा रहा और आपको क्या लगता है 2025 में आपके हिसाब से कौन सा trend आने वाला है. Do comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Trends9.